Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Twitch login issues, verification and app errors step by step clearly. First, check that Twitch is not down by visiting status. Twitch TV on any browser. Close the Twitch app completely and also force stop it from your device settings. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary system glitches affecting sign-in. Confirm your internet is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or using another network. Turn off VPN, proxy, or ad-blocking DNS services because they can block Twitch verification requests. Set your device date and time to automatic to prevent token and code validation failures. If you are using a browser, open an incognito or private window and try logging in again. Clear browser cache and cookies for Twitch TV to remove corrupted login sessions. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and script blockers. Then retry the login. Try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari to isolate browser-specific issues. If the Twitch app shows errors, update the app to the latest version from the official store. On Android, clear Twitch app cache from settings, apps, Twitch, storage, clear cache. On iPhone, delete the Twitch app and reinstall it to refresh all app data cleanly. Make sure your email address is accessible because verification links and codes may be required. Check spam, junk, promotions, and filtered folders for Twitch verification emails. If the email link fails, request a new verification email and wait a full 5 minutes before trying again. If SMS verification fails, confirm your phone number is correct and includes the proper country code. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Then request the SMS code again to refresh the carrier connection. Avoid requesting codes repeatedly because Twitch may temporarily rate limit verification attempts. If you use an authenticator app, verify the correct account is selected and the time sync is enabled. If you lost 2FA access, use your Twitch backup codes or start the 2FA recovery process on Twitch support. Reset your Twitch password using the official Trouble Logging In page to clear suspicious login flags. After resetting, log in once on a trusted device and approve any security prompts immediately. Check your account email for new login alerts and confirm it was you to unlock access. If you see something went wrong in the app, log out on all devices from security settings. Then sign in again. Make sure your device has enough free storage because low storage can break app authentication. Update your operating system because outdated security components can block modern login flows. If the problem continues, contact Twitch support with your username, device model, app version, and screenshots of the error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.